All right, here go my hero story. So I got started with the entrepreneur journey when I was a little kid. My mom, I wanted some new gym shoes. My mom couldn't afford them. She told me, I can't afford them. So my dad was the one that said, hey, go out there, do something, shovel some snow, rake some leaves. I did all of that. Delivered newspapers, everything. So that really started my entrepreneur journal where I wanted to have my own money because I felt good being able to buy my own stuff. Fast forward, I became an adult. Always still had that entrepreneur spirit. Always trying something new, trying something different. Got into network marketing years ago. Had some success in it. Um, I don't know. It just wasn't the right company, or just I hadn't grown into the person that I am now. I didn't know the things that I couldn't take rejection as well as I can now. Now somebody say no, I just keep it moving. So I got involved with this Bitcoin opportunity. I was really excited about Bitcoin. I got involved with it and started wanting to find out ways how to get the word out. So I found this company a young lady turned me on to, and I started using it, and I was getting results right, like fast. Like the next day, I was getting like people coming in, like leads, asking for more information. So I said, "Wow!" And so I was sold at that point. And then I later found out that there's an opportunity to sell the product. I said, "Well, I can make money at it too." I'm all about making some extra money. So I said, let me get into this opportunity. I started selling the product, and it's just been, ever since then, it's been great because that's like who I am. I'm all about, helping people make money, build businesses. So when the opportunity came about where, it doesn't take a lot of money, but you get instant results if you use the product. So I was excited. I was sold on it. I jumped in there, and it's been a good 3 year run. And the company's just getting better and better. They're making it easier and easier for people to get started, to get the word out about their business. And so that's my story. I'm sticking to it. So that's it. Y'all have a good day.